Let's jump right in. We're unboxing a sick mini bike. The company was talking to me. They said, hey, we appreciate the video. What can we do for you? I said, I want everybody who watches this video to get a bike. They said, come on, what the fuck are you talking about? I said, okay, how about two? Okay, and they said, okay, we can make two work, so we're doing two. We're giving away two of these bikes. If you watch this video to the end and decide you want one, go ahead and leave a comment what color you want yours in, and in 1 week, I'll pick two winners. I can only pin one comment. It's totally free to enter. They'll get shipped straight from the warehouse. All you have to do is comment. Just watch until the end of this video to make sure it's the right bike for you. So I got 3 batteries. 2 of them are the stock battery, and one is an upgraded 72-volt battery. We're gonna start with the stock one. I had trouble installing it. I thought I had to take the rear wheel off, but that didn't work. You have to take this bracket off, rearrange the bike, and install it from the bottom. It's not really a quick swap. Put the rear wheel back on, and now you have 2 options for the pegs, sport and comfort. I chose comfort. Charged it up and gave it the first throttle. This bike costs just under $1,500, which puts it very much at the budget end of the spectrum for a 60-volt 18 amp hour bike, pushing 3 kilowatts out of the motor on 6-inch extra chunky wheels, nice hydraulic brakes out of the box, no chain tensioner. The way you tension the chain is actually by moving the motor. It's pretty simple once you get it. There's no suspension, it's solid in the rear and the front, large riser bars and a full twist throttle, a pretty long comfortable seat for such a small bike, and one of the coolest cockpits of any e-bike I've reviewed. So we got a dual USB port, key ignition, battery indicator with a battery sticker just in case you forgot, and you've got 2 controls here, one for your aggression, one for your max speed. It feels like a fighter jet. It also comes with a wheelie bar and a drag race bar, which we'll test in this video. Putting it next to a Razor, you can see this is a mini bike, but out of the box this smokes a Razor.
Hey, brand new bike. Hey, brand new shoes. White on white, white on white. If we race, you gon' lose. Got that new shit, flying through the streets in my cockpit, looking out for cops on some cop shit. I'm gonna turn my aggression all the way up and my speed to the max. Super comfortable seating. Let's go. Oh, it's not on. I gotta hit this. Whoa, pops the wheel up. Stock, okay. Good start. Let's hit the street. This is so comfortable. Most mini bikes I ride are like mini dirt bikes. Who are you honking at? Who are you honking at? Top speed, here we go. Full throttle. I'm so impressed. This is faster than I was expecting. For the price, it's a deal. See ya, buddy. You just made a new friend today. Speed up just to slow down in front of me. What an asshole. I'm still faster than his ass. He's stuck in traffic. Let's try a little wheelie here. It's definitely got the snap. I gotta take the brake sensor out. I can't get this plug unplugged. I'm just gonna rip it. No way. Oh, that feels so good. I've never wheelied a mini bike like this. This is stock. Let's go. Let's go. This thing's so fun. It's pretty squirrely on the turns because of these tiny fat balloon tires. I think I could even pop it at full speed here without even the throttle, just using my body weight. Come on. I don't think you need to upgrade it to have any fun, but you know what we do on this channel. Let's go upgrade it.
All hail Electro & Co. Before I unbox that, I'm trying to charge the stock battery, and I'm getting this red flashing light of death on the stock charger. And I don't play with 2 things in life. I don't play with batteries, and I don't play with brakes. Plugging my Electro & Co charger, believe it or not, into the output XT90 of this battery, and I'm getting 0 volts. So what the sigma. Realized I needed a fuse, put that in, plugged it in, and we're going at like a strong 2 amps here, but I'm still putting it outside. I do not play with batteries. Electro & Co. Name a bike, they've got a kit for it. It's literally insane. Here's the upgraded motor. This is a 72-volt motor, but it looks identical to the stock one. Here we've got the harness, the on-off switch, the battery leads, the voltmeter, and underneath got our controller upgrade and the throttle upgrade with the 3 power mode switch. I love these grips. These are great grips. Here we go, removing the stock battery and changing over the mounting bracket to the 72 volt upgraded battery, which I'm sliding right in, tipping the bike over so I can get under the motor and take it off. It's still connected to the controller, so I'm removing the seat and removing the controller that's underneath it. Everything just unplugs, it's so easy, and the Electron Co controller fits right back in there. Our 3 phase wires from the upgraded motor fit right through, and I'm attaching the blue, green, and yellow. Then I'm doing the battery leads, the 2 harness plugs, I'm connecting the motor plug, the on-off switch, the voltmeter, and the throttle. It fits perfect, everything reaches and it's all under the seat. I'm switching over the upgraded motor to the mounting bracket, making sure to put the chain around it before I tighten it, and I'm getting back under there. This is also where you tighten the chain. I actually love this system, I've never seen this before. I'm removing the stock throttle and putting on the upgraded throttle and the grip on the other side. I started off by putting the on-off switch and the voltmeter on this side, but there's just not enough space for everything, so I'm keeping the voltmeter there and I'm putting the on-off switch right in the middle. I did the same thing on my Electric Wise E85, I think it looks sick. It's time to test the throttle.
We got Jim out here on my Green Goblin, and the dragster's fully upgraded with the Electron Co kit. It's time to test the top speed, the wheelies, and then throw the drag bar and the wheelie bar on. Let's go. Damn, I can't believe these are both mine. Got the new power button. We're out. The GPS speed should be up in the top left. We're on a full charge. I'm going straight into mode 3. Full throttle. So the Goblin can go 60 miles an hour. I don't think he's having any trouble keeping up. I'm guessing we're going 45, maybe 50. Maybe 50, that's my guess. Let's see how accurate that is. This is plenty fast for a bike like this. Without suspension and on these little balloon wheels, it's like, how fast do you want to go? Let's wheelie. Oh, okay. As good as it was at wheeling stock, this is like a cheat code. No way. No way, this feels so easy. Okay, if you're learning how to wheelie, this is it. This is it. That's like easy mode. And it comes with a wheelie bar. We're gonna try that in a minute. Look at him go. This thing's sick. For the price, this is a new option that we should not be sleeping on. And you know what? I bet I can pop the wheelie up at even a really high speed. Look at that! No way! Brand new bike. Ha! Brand new shoes. Ha! Wait on way. Wait on way. If we race, you gon' lose. Got that new shit flying through the streets in my cockpit, looking out for cops on some cop shit. Let's go! We got the drag bar on. 2 longboard wheels in the back. If you remember before, just barely touching the throttle, the front wheel would pick up. Now we're at almost double the power. Let's see if we can just transfer it into forward momentum instead of a wheelie. It didn't even pick up. How high up can I go? I'm not even getting close to the bar. It's like you only need the wheelie bar when it's stock, not even when it's upgraded. Whoa! Wait! It's more like a wheelie bar now. Oh, I lost a wheel. That didn't last long at all. Who installed this? That's bad. It actually snapped off. That used to be a bolt. Now it's just the head.
No. Oh shit, it is.
Yeah. Damn. Well, that was short-lived.
So should we do drag mode or wheelie mode?
Oh, for sure, wheelie mode.
All right, yeah, that's wheelie mode.
It looks cool. I just can't tell if it is cool or if it's like training wheel vibes. We'll see how it wheelies. That's the balance point. I'm just sitting here. See you, Jim. Let's go! One hand, baby! Oh. Hey!
No way. No way.
try a no-hander. Let's go! Whoa! Dude, if I see you hold a wheelie, I might lose my shit. Get on. Why are you over there?
Jim, let's go!
No, hey, we're not wheeling in the elementary school parking lot as two adults.
Let me see it. Hey. Oh!
That one?
Yeah, it's got a wheelie bar on it. Is this the snappiest bike you've ridden before?
Yeah.
Okay, because I've only seen you on a stock Razor. Oh, you sold the Razor?
I think I'm gonna get a Super in July.
No, Razor's better.
That thing was collapsed though.
Yeah, it was. So we're giving away 2 of these. All you have to do is comment down below which color you want. There's several colors. And we're gonna give away 2. I can only pin 1 comment at a time. So I'll pin one of the winners and heart the other one. This bike's fucking sick. Just to drag the wheelie bar alone, such a good way to learn how to wheelie. We're giving away 2. The last time I did a giveaway like this, it was with the Volcon. This is the winner of the Grunt, and the winner of the Brat is in Australia, but we just sent it. I'm gonna pick the winner for this giveaway in a week, so you can leave a comment which color you want. I'm giving away 2 of these dragsters. As always, thank you so much for watching until the end. Stay tuned.
Yeah.